Hi guys, my name is Annika, and this is me being random. Why are cups shaped like this? Why can't they be shaped like rectangles? Rectangles are more weird, but wouldn't they be sharp edges? I know. Have them in unsharp edges. See? Because the cup is just weird. Like, then you have a shape like this. And it would be, like, cool to experiment it, right? Um, why is TVs round? Why? I don't know. Why is there a hole in the middle? Is it, like, to make a necklace out of it when they're old or something? Sorry, I was bored. I'm back. Sorry. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, I'm not listening to anything. I wonder why we're so soft. I always want blonde hair for my mom, and Dad wouldn't let me, so I just got blonde highlights. Always wants to wear better. See? No, no, wrong foot. Whatever. I like wearing makeup, but not all the time. Makeup is like makeup-ish, and like no makeup is like it's like putting clothes on your face, like accessories. I wonder what would happen if I drew a mustache on me. But I'm not gonna because I have to go to my karate and I won't be able to wash off. And that'll be like bad. So, who wants to say hi to Freddy? Now, who knows who Freddy is? I do! I do! Who's Freddy, Annika? Oh, I don't know. Neither do I, but we're about to meet him. Is he late? Yes. Sorry, I like to pretend for someone else here. I'm random! I don't know. Oh, here comes Freddy! He's a veteran. Oh no. Hi guys, I'm Freddy. Hi Freddy! It's very nice to have you here. It's very nice to get you here. We were expecting you 2 hours ago. Well then, where's your watch? Right here on me. This is the pen I was using to make Freddy. Because he was late, so it's me another Freddy. You replaced me? No one replaces Freddy. Sorry. The apocalypse. Ah, sorry. I was like really bored. Bored much? Yeah, I like to say much a lot. Much. Haha. I could sing a lot. Sing! No, that wasn't really good singing, but what else? 7, 8, 9. So, what are you guys doing today? Really? That sounds interesting, but some of you guys, that sounds really boring because you're just like sitting at home. Look! I made a watch! I know, wrong way. Oh no! Oh, there it is. I'm gonna show you it this way. See? Now I can tell the time. It is. It's my hand smells. Oh well. And if you haven't checked it out already, I've made already 2 songs. What was it one? I don't remember if I put the other one. No, I haven't. I also made 2 songs. I've already done the cup song and then a song that I wrote myself called Tornado. So yeah. And my third song is coming out soon. It is called I Can't Stand You. And I will give you a sneak peek of that right now. Every time I look at you, I get the kind of feeling. I put a smile on your face, even when you're hiding something. Then one day, you did something that I didn't like. broke my heart. Perfect smile on your face was gone, and now I can't stand you. Even hate the same. And that's it. That's all I can do for now. But till next time, stay random. Put squirt on your pants. I don't know. Just make sure this got you. And then call 911. Oh yeah, and make sure you cheese. Cheese on.